Hi, my name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video we are going to solve an intermediate level SQL problem. So in this case, we need to enter the SQLpractice.com website. This is where we are going to solve this problem, and you can use this website to practice your SQL skills. So we need to then select the hospital DB, and we need to click on view all questions. We need to select difficulty medium, and then we need to scroll down until we find the question which says display the total amount of patients for each province, order by descending. So if we do that, we can see the question. So now we need to select this, erase it, and we can take a look at the tables. So we have a patients table which has information about patients inside a hospital, and province names table which has information about provinces. So in the patients table we have, if we click on the green arrow, we can see the rows, and the same in province name. Also we can take a look at the expected output. So you can see this is the output we should get after doing our after querying. So we have a province name and patient count. Also, we click on get hint again, we can see the solution keywords. So these are the statements or the clauses the website is suggesting us to use in our SQL code. And we can also, if we click on get hint again, we can see a portion of the solution. So you can see some lines of code just to give us an idea on how to approach and solve this problem. Okay, so I encourage you to first do it on your own, and then we can compare it. And if you are stuck or you are not able to do it, or you get confused or whatever, you can resume the video and we can do it together step by step. Okay, so first we need to understand the problem. So I'll read the question again. It says, display the total amount of patients for each province, order by descending. Okay, so let's begin breaking it down. So it says display the total amount of patients. Okay, so to show the total amount of patients, I need to use the select statement, and I need to need a count. I'm going to count everything, and from patients. So if I run that, I can get the count of everything. But if instead I use do count patient ID, okay, I'll get the same. But if I do instead count distinct patient ID, I get how many patients I have in this table, in the patients table. So as you can see, group by patient ID. Okay, so you can see we have 4,530 patients, but those need to be split on each province. Okay, because every patient come from a different province. As you can see here, they have a province ID associated with them. So instead of doing this, I just need to also select the province name. I'm just going to copy paste this, and now I need to select the table from patients. I'm going to give an alias as PA, but as you can see, there are no province name in the patients table. Instead, the province name, it's in the province names table. So I need to join these two tables together. And how am I going to do that? with a foreign key. So as you can see in the patients table, we have a province ID, which is a foreign key referring to the province ID, which is a primary key in the province names table. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to join the province names table. I'll give it an alias on, okay, maybe I can do it here, on patients dot province ID equals province names dot province ID. Okay, we have done that, and now we need to group, because we are doing a count, we need to group by the province name. Okay, I'm just going to do this just to make sure that we are referring to the province name in the province names table. And if I run this query, you can see I have an error. Oh yeah, because I forgot to place the comma here. And now you can see that we have the name of the province and how many patients came from that specific province. And I can also give an alias here to the count as count patients or num of patients. Okay, but then we are not done yet, because it says order by descending. So we need to order by descending. Okay, we are not sure if it's like in the by descending in the using the province name column or the count column or the num patients column. But as if we see the expected output, it seems that it's descending by the patient column. See, we need to order by or sort by the patient count column, because we have a like the biggest number here and then 60, 49, and it's dropping down. So we need to order by the number of patients, okay, which was the count of everything in descending order. So if I just format this and run the query, you can see that we got everything correct. Okay, so just to summarize, we selected the province name, which is here, and we count everything, and we gave it an alias. We selected that from the patients table, but we needed to join the province names table. We selected the province ID as a common key between those two tables. We grouped by the province name, and we order by the number of patients. So this is our result, and you can see it's pretty similar to the solution provided by the website. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.